I'm so sorry. My life's kind of crazy and there's 27 different styles, so I just haven't gotten around to making videos about all of them, but let me get some AI art and see if we can make some stuff happen. I'm going to show you this picture, but you have to do me a favor because you need to ignore the colors if you hate them. I want you to look at the shapes and textures in this space because that's how you know if this is your style or not. So this particular room is actually on the edge of bold and tonal. So if you took away all the color like this is very dark and that is very light, so there's a lot of contrast in the color. Then we're going to look at the shapes and the materials that are in this. So there's not a whole lot of texture in this room. The lines are very smooth and there's not a ton of stuff on the walls. It's pretty simple, and that makes this a minimal space. And because I had to generate this with AI, I was limited in not having stuff on the tables, but a true minimal space wouldn't even have stuff on the tables. But it's like a line, so you have minimal all the way on this side and maximal all the way on this side, and you can fit anywhere on that line. So you may fall all the way over here and like absolutely nothing but the bare stuff in your space, or you can fit all the way here where there's so much texture on the walls and so much crap all over in a very nice, well put together way, if you have a really well designed room, that it's like totally overloads your senses. Here's another example of a possible type 21. Again, the problem being that if you are only looking at the colors and you don't like this minimal amount of colors, then you think it's not your style. But just change these pillows and make them super bright and colorful. If you like bright and colorful spaces, then this room might be something that you like, because type 21 is a bold style, and so lots of colors. A lot of people like lots of colors, but they might not either. It's really the contrast between the light and the dark that makes it a bold style. But I want to show you the furniture shapes in this. Do you see how they're low to the ground and the backs are kind of short? That's like a surprising shape for furniture to be. Also, like this table seems kind of abstract. Assertive styles, which is type 21, are full of man-made items that are surprising in shape and proportion. Also abstract art, or things that feel like weird organic shapes that are clearly man-made. This is my attempt to get AI art to give you more color. So if you hate red, this won't work. But this is Bauhaus. I think that's Bauhaus. It's a lot of primary colors. Here's another one of that same style. And here we have a postmodern style, which is also a type 21. Again, I can't emphasize enough, if you like lots of color, you just need to add color to these rooms. I am creating a guide that will have tons of pictures for all the styles, but there's 27 different styles and it's taking me a long time. I'm about a third of the way through. So follow my page and I will give you an update when all those guides are done, and it'll have lots of pictures with lots of photos to pick through to see what your style is.